So at ABS, we offer a few different methodologies for training. We have live on-site training. We also do live web-based training, so if we can't get to you live and in person, we can tackle a lot of areas all at once virtually, but still in a live fashion. And then we also have online training portals that are available 24/7, and those are online course modules, so they have videos, quizzes attached to them. What's really nice about the online modules is that we can do online tracking, so we can check out your tech, see how they're performing, and then provide reports back as well. So we try to really capture as many different ways to get quality education out to our techs as possible. We offer a variety of training topics. A lot of people think that we only offer product training. We actually offer a lot of tech training, general technology training, Tech 101, Cable and CATV Basics 101, and we're just coming out with a brand new Fiber 101 training series. That'll be a multi-part series, really to make sure that techs, installers, contractors have a really good base knowledge of industry information to really get going and then really have a good understanding on how to use the products down the road. So not only the Fiber 101, CATV basics, even electrical safety. So we really try to hit the whole gamut of training topics for the technicians. So we do a lot of custom training modules for our customers. So not only can we tweak even logos or looks to really make the training look like your own, we'll really dive in and look at what are your installation standards for a particular area, a region, a market, and really customize and develop training around exactly what your needs are.